Video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pair of ankle-high hiking boots from the company NORTIV. And the actual name of these, I think they're calling these the Armadillo. And when I show them to you, you'll see why they are the Armadillo. So open it up, you get a set of laces. That's always nice, they give you extra laces. Here's the actual boots themselves right here. We don't need that anymore. So looking at the outsole, there's a non-slip outsole. For me, this is more like an all-around type cleat for, you know, mud, dirt, grass, whatever. Nice toe box up there. These do actually come in a wide size, and you can see right here, they are waterproof on the side. They fit very true to size. For the price, this is probably one of the better boots that I've been able to find out there. They were easy on and off, speed laces on the top, all the way around. You can really lace these up nicely. They have this corded lace, so I always like seeing those corded top laces because you can really get them down tight. And they're ankle high, so they protect the ankles if you ever step down in between some rocks or anything like that. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the NORTIV soft shell waterproof ankle high boots. See you on the next video.